Hey there, YouTubers. I'm doing a e-bike review of the Avalanche Gyrocopters e-bike. It's also known as a Big Bear, and I just got it from Best Buy today. And I'm going to crack this thing open, record it as much as I can to see what's inside of it. I'm also doing this in case it's missing any parts. I'll have video evidence that it is unopened at the moment. There's a little bit of damage from Best Buy. They told me that it wouldn't affect anything inside of the packaging. So here we go. Did he tell you to keep the packaging? Just in case you like the bike or something's wrong with it? That you should keep it. Otherwise, you have to pay a restocking fee of like 15%, or you can return them for about 30 days. No instruction on the outside of the box how to take off the box, and looking from the inside, it's just kind of sitting there. So, I'm guessing I'm just going to lift this thing right out here. That's going to be pretty heavy. Should probably do this from the bottom. Hey, so if you're putting this thing together, I just suggest looking at the owner's manual. It is actually really good. I didn't expect it to be good. It has all the information that you need, especially if you're just new to doing stuff. I mean, it's a good bike, and it has a lot of good maintenance and repair and pre-inspection. Everything you need to know is right in here. The only thing that I wasn't too sure about was the pedal direction. I remember one is threaded backward, so lefty, loosey, righty, tighty kind of stuff, but it's all in there. And I'm not a bicycle mechanic, so I'm not going to show anybody how to do their bicycle mechanics. I'm looking it over, and it is a very solid, good looking bike so far, but I still have to test it out. Okay, so I'm back after having a meal and working on the bike a little more. I went through and I tightened up everything that was loose. There was quite a bit loose. Not huge problems, just little things like, you know, the forks, the wheel nuts, and then I had to go through and realign the wheels with the disc brake, because nothing was quite on there straight. The rear brake is what gave me the most trouble. The gears seem to work great. I haven't actually taken it out for a bike ride yet. The battery's still charging. Honestly, if I were to do this again, I might just go to a professional bike mechanic and have it set up. I did a lot of biking when I was younger, and I'm accustomed to working on them, but just for a little peace of mind, I would almost prefer a mechanic to look at the bearings and make sure that they're actually greased. I believe the grease that was on the chain was only like a packing grease, and you still have to grease it, you still have to lube it, and it's probably the same for the bearings on the inside. So I'm going to see how it handles, and I might just bring it in to a mechanic, because even though I could take it apart, it's a big job, and without a bike stand, without all the experience doing it, I just don't want to do that work on my brand new e-bike. I'll keep adding to the video as I go. Thank you for watching.